Good morning, children. In the previous videos, we have completed the unit 1, having the three segments, the town mouse and the country mouse, the town child and the country child, the poem, and the lesson, the new blue dress. I hope all of you have understood the three lessons well with the unit 1. And now we shall move on to unit 2. Okay, so in unit 2 again we have three lessons. The first one is C.V. Raman, the pride of India. C.V. Raman, he's a great scientist, and the poem It's Change. And the next one, the last one, is Sushruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. Okay, we shall deal with all these three lessons in the unit 2. First of all, let us go with the lesson C.V. Raman, the pride of India. Before going into the lesson, just have a look at these pictures. Now, what can you see? You can see the great scientists over here, the pictures of great scientists. Now, the first one, who is the first one over here? Of course, he is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was a great personality, and he was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and he died on 27 July 2015 at Shillong in Meghalaya. Yes, and he was awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and Bharat Ratna in 1997. Okay, and you can see the next picture. He is C.V. Raman. Okay, so C.V. Raman is also the first Indian scholar who studied in India and received the Nobel Prize in the field of physics. And he was the first Asian as well as non-white and who got this award. He passed away in 1970 on November 21st, and February 28th is celebrated as National Science Day, on which he discovered Raman effect. Okay, and the next picture is about Srinivasa Ramanujam. So, Srinivasa Ramanujam, he is a great mathematician. He was born on December 22nd, 1887 in Tamil Nadu and died on April 26, 1920. Okay, and he was an Indian mathematician. He is considered to be one of the most talented mathematicians in recent history. He was awarded as a fellow of the Royal Society. Okay, children. And the next picture is of Albert Einstein. So you can see the first, second, third, and the fourth one from the left side. He is Albert Einstein. And Albert Einstein was born on March 14th in 1879 in Germany and died on April 18th, 1955. He was a physicist who developed the special and general theories of relativity and won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. So he is Albert Einstein. And the next picture you can see is of Isaac Newton. Children, all of you know the Newton's law of theory. Yes, he is famous. He is a Sir Isaac Newton. He was born on 25th December in 1642 and died on 20th March in 1726. So he is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of all time and as a key figure in the scientific revolution. So most famous discoveries are Newton's three laws of motion. You all very well know Newton's law of motion. So he is the famous scientist over here. Now he is Isaac Newton. And the last one is Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, so Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor, and he developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion pictures. He was born on 11th February 1847 and died on 18th October 1931. So, whoever you have seen all these pictures, they are of great scientists, and they have done a lot for the world. Okay, children. So here now there are some questions are given over here below. So can you name the scientists? Already I have told you who these scientists are. So you have to write down the names of these scientists. So just you have to answer these questions. Already I have discussed about them, and you have to write down all these answers in short. Now tell your class what you know about them. So what you know about them? Already I have told you what you know about them. So they are the greatest scientists in the world. Okay, and they have contributed, just have to write short line, they have contributed a lot to the world of science. Okay, and are scientists special people? How? They are asking the question, are scientists special people? How? So are they special people or not? So without them, can we enjoy this modern life and luxuries like this? So nowadays we are having everything. We are living so comfortably with a luxurious life. So is it possible? It is only possible because of their researches. Okay, because of their innovative minds. They have invented so many things, and they have made the human life easy. Okay, so scientists are special people. We are enjoying, because we are enjoying the modern life and luxuries from their researches only, and their innovative minds only have made our human life easier. So that's why scientists are special people. Understood? So do you want to be a scientist? Why? So this answer you have to write on your own. Why you want to, whether you want to be a scientist, and why you want to be a scientist. That you have to write this answer in one line. Don't write very big answers, write only short answers. And how many of them received the Nobel Prize? So in these, the above scientists given, how many of them received? Only 2 of them received the Nobel Prize, and they are C.V. Raman and Albert Einstein. Okay, so you can write down only 2 of them received, Albert Einstein and C.V. Raman. Understood? And who was the first Indian scientist that received the Nobel Prize? Yes, it was C.V. Raman, the first Indian scholar who studied in India and received the Nobel Prize in the field of physics. Okay, and about him, what you will write in the field of science, that he was a first Asian as well as non-white who got this award. And he passed away in 1970 on November 21st, and February 28th is celebrated as National Science Day, on which he discovered Raman effect. So a few lines you can write. Understood? So about C.V. Raman, 2 or 3 lines. Just answer all these questions and listen to the video carefully and answer these questions and send it to my WhatsApp number. So this is your assignment today. You have a very short video today, because the next class you will be learning about the lesson C.V. Raman, the Pride of India. We will go into the lesson. So we have completed the introduction part of it, and now next video we shall go into the lesson. Okay children, till then stay tuned. Thank you.